Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain what is thermometer, how to use it and its normal values. What is thermometer? Thermometer is nothing but it is a simple device which is used to check the body temperature. There are various thermometers available in the market like manual or mercury thermometer, digital thermometer, infrared or forehead or temporal thermometer. Now we'll see how to use a manual thermometer. First, we should wash or clean the bulb of the manual thermometer with spirit or with some water, and after that we should shake it vigorously, and later the bulb of the thermometer should be placed in the mouth, that is it should be placed under the tongue, and we should ask the person to close the lips so that the thermometer will be stable. We should place the thermometer in the mouth for at least 3 minutes to get the readings. In the same way, instead of oral, we can also place the thermometer in the underarms. We call this temperature as axillary temperature. But the main drawback of manual thermometer is that the manual thermometer takes approximately 3 minutes, and also this manual thermometer contains mercury, so when this mercury enters the human body, it is very hazardous to the health. So to overcome these drawbacks, digital thermometer came into existence. Digital thermometer works similarly like the manual thermometer, and here we should not wait for 3 minutes to get the results. As it is digital, once we place it in the mouth, within few seconds beep sound will come. After beep sound, we'll get the results. This is the main advantage of digital thermometer. It is no mercury, simple, easy and effective. And other type of thermometer is infrared, forehead or temporal thermometer. Here we can measure the temperature by using a radiation, and just simply by placing the trigger we can measure the temperature. And now we'll go with the normal values of temperature. If we check orally, the normal values will ranges from 36.4 degrees centigrade to 37.2 degrees Celsius. That is approximately 97.52 degrees Fahrenheit to 98.96 degree Fahrenheit. If it is auxiliary, that is if it use the temperature by checking in the underarms, the normal temperature will be 35.9 degrees Celsius to 36.7 degrees Celsius. That is approximately 96.62 degrees Fahrenheit to 98.06 degree Fahrenheit. And other is forehead temperature. The normal forehead temperature is 35.4 degrees Celsius to 37.4 degrees Celsius. That is approximately 95.72 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This is all about the normal temperature. Now we'll see with the in fever what are the temperatures and how we classify it. In low grade fever, the temperature will be 37.1 degrees Celsius to 38.2 degrees Celsius. That is approximately 98.8 to 100.6 degrees Fahrenheit. In high grade fever, the temperature will be 38.2 degrees Celsius to 40.5 degrees Celsius. That is approximately 100.6 degrees Fahrenheit to 104.9 degrees Fahrenheit. And in coming to the hyperpyrexia, in hyperpyrexia the temperature will be greater than 40.5 degrees Celsius. That is approximately greater than 104 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the classification of fever. This is all about the thermometer and how to use it. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.